As I was installing these accent strips, I noticed that the gray was just a little too light compared to the OEM accent gray, but this of course being based off a picture I'd sent them, so that was probably my fault. Thankfully, Badgeskins was gracious enough to send two darker versions of the accent strip in order to try to match the OEM accent gray that come on the red Konas, since the red is an accent on the black, white, and sonic blue Konas. But on the red, you have gray, so trying to match the two as much as possible. I don't know if you can see here, but the lighter version is above and the darker versions are below. Excited to see how these look, so let's put these on and see how close we can get to matching. I also had this set of titanium lug nuts to replace the black ones that are starting to peel a little bit. I bought the black lug nuts when I replaced my wheels, and they were just a cheap option since the OEM lug nuts didn't fit my super speed wheels. But I think this will look nice, much better quality, and I love the red details and finish. So here's what it looks like with the new lug nut and compared to the old ones. I think it's gonna look good. Minus the dirty brake over here. Alright, here's what they look like. Gonna torque these down and my battery's gonna die, so I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it, and I'll show some B-roll at the end. Hey, what's up everyone? Hope you liked the video. Quick install. I want to give a shout out to Badgeskins again for sponsoring the build and for sending me the vinyl overlays. Great brand. The vinyl products themselves, really high quality, easy to install. It might be a little tricky if you haven't installed vinyl. Again, I'm no vinyl installation expert, but I was able to kind of get these overlays on. The hardest one probably being the strips, just making sure the surface is clean and the prep work that goes into it. I'm by no means a vinyl, or did I say that already? Are they perfect in terms of install? Probably not, but I'm happy with them and I'm happy how they turned out. In terms of trying to color match, I went with like a darker gray. Even though it's not 100% match, I'm still happy with it because the accent strips, both front and rear, actually for me break up the gloss black a bit. Having that strip sort of separates it a little bit more and actually matches some of the matte black accents. Overall, I love the little touches and little details that transform or change the look of the car up. Even though they might seem small, they make a big difference. You see like these little details or as you start to notice them in photos or in videos. So again, very happy with the product. Shout out again to Badge Skins. Happy to be part of the fam. If you're looking for vinyl overlays or tints, definitely check them out. So there you have it. Quick video. Hope you enjoyed. I don't know what to say. Give a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.